Beats by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel. The Huawei Matepad Pro is a testament to Huawei's commitment to the tablet market, boasting an impressive flexible OLED display and the Kirin 9000S chip. This device marks Huawei's return to the high-end tablet scene with a bang. Let's dive into the details to see if this device is the right choice for you. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The Matepad Pro 13.2 features a sleek design, one of the lightest and thinnest big screen in the market, weighing 580 grams and 5.5mm thin, which can use with one hand, with a glass front, metal frame, and plastic back. It supports the third generation Huawei M Pencil stylus and MagLink keyboard, making it a versatile tool for both productivity and creativity. In terms of display, the Matepad Pro 13.2 really shines. A stunning 13.2-inch flexible OLED screen is the centerpiece of this tablet, offering a 2.8K resolution of 2880 by 1920 pixels, 1 billion colors, and a whopping 144Hz refresh rate. The display promises vibrant colors and smooth transitions, perfect for both media consumption and professional work. Moving on to the performance, under the hood, the Huawei Matepad Pro 13.2 is powered by the Kirin 9000S chip, which provides high-range performance and perfect for productivity, high graphics, and intensive games as well. And it comes with 16GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth multitasking and ample space for all your needs. Running on Harmony OS 4.0, the Matepad Pro offers a familiar Huawei user experience with improved widgets and multitasking capabilities. Although it lacks Google mobile services, users can still install applications via Huawei's app gallery or third-party sources like Gbox, which you can access the Play Store and can download apps you needed. This tablet is also perfect for schools and business meetings. It is equipped with a 13MP primary and 8MP ultra-wide camera at the back and a 16MP front camera with TUF 3D setup for secure facial unlock. One of the highlight hardware features of this device is its 6 powerful speaker with Huawei sound enhancement. The Matepad Pro also features a massive 10,100 mAh battery which supports for up to 88 watts fast charging. Now, here is my final verdict. The Huawei Matepad Pro 13.2 is a feature-packed tablet that excels in display and audio quality. While the lack of Google services may be a deal-breaker for some, but it remains a strong contender in the tablet market for those invested in the Huawei ecosystem. Alright, that's it for today's comprehensive review of the latest Huawei Matepad Pro 13.2. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.